Welcome back to Make It Bake It. Today we are making some amazing gluten-free and dairy-free meatballs with my little twist of throwing in some kale and mushrooms just for the heck of it. So let's get cooking. As usual, the full recipe for these meatballs can be found on our website, so just click the link in the description below. First, combine the breadcrumbs and almond milk and let sit for 10 minutes. This mixture will help to bind and tenderize the meatballs. If you enjoy these videos, follow us on Instagram for exclusive tips on gluten-free baking and cooking. Move over to the stove and lightly saute your onions and mushrooms for a few minutes until they are soft over a medium heat. Then add the kale, garlic, and herbs. Saute for just another minute. Remove from the heat and let it cool. In a bowl, mix together ground beef, salt, and pepper. Next, add the onion mixture, the breadcrumb paste, and the egg. Mix just until it comes together. Avoid overmixing as this will toughen the meatballs. Refrigerate this for 1 hour to firm it up so that the meatballs will keep their nice round shape. Scoop out equal amounts of the meatball mixture and roll it into a ball. Place on the sheet tray covered with aluminum foil. Repeat this with all the meatballs. Bake at 425 Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes until brown. At this point, you can eat them as they are, or let them simmer in a sauce. Thanks for watching our video and hanging out with us in the kitchen today while we make meatballs. Hope you try them, and if you enjoyed the video, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Ciao!